Acacia bark, particularly from Acacia arabica. This remarkable plant has been utilized for its various health benefits across cultures and centuries. Whether you're new to acacia or looking to deepen your understanding, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Acacia arabica, a species renowned for its medicinal properties, is commonly found in various regions, including parts of Africa and Asia. The bark of this tree has been used traditionally for its therapeutic benefits, and modern research continues to uncover its potential. To give you a comprehensive understanding, we will explore its health benefits, look at some top-rated acacia products available on Amazon, and discuss recent research findings. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand what makes acacia bark so special. The bark of Acacia arabica is rich in various bioactive compounds that contribute to its health benefits. These include tannins, flavonoids, and alkaloids, each playing a significant role in its medicinal properties. Acacia bark has been found to possess strong anti-inflammatory properties. The tannins and flavonoids in the bark help to reduce inflammation in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from chronic inflammatory conditions such as arthritis or digestive disorders. The reduction in inflammation helps alleviate symptoms and improve overall health. The antioxidants present in acacia bark, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. By combating oxidative stress, these antioxidants help prevent cellular damage and reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease and cancer. Traditionally, acacia bark has been used to treat digestive issues. The bark's astringent properties help to strengthen the mucosal lining of the gastrointestinal tract, which can aid in the treatment of conditions like diarrhea and dysentery. Furthermore, its antimicrobial properties contribute to a healthier gut flora. Acacia bark exhibits antimicrobial activity, which makes it effective in combating various pathogens, including bacteria and fungi. This can be beneficial for treating infections and boosting overall immune function. The bark's ability to inhibit microbial growth contributes to its use in traditional medicine for wound healing and infection control. The bark can be used topically to improve skin health. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable ingredient in treating skin conditions such as acne and eczema. Additionally, the bark's astringent properties help to tighten the skin and promote a youthful appearance. Some studies suggest that acacia bark may help regulate blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The bark's ability to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels has been supported by preliminary research. Having explored the numerous health benefits of acacia bark, you might be interested in incorporating it into your routine. To help you find high-quality acacia products, we've compiled a list of top-rated options available on Amazon. Here are some bestsellers that stand out for their quality and effectiveness. Herbal Terra. The Herbal Terra extract is a liquid supplement made from high-quality acacia bark. It's designed for those who prefer a concentrated form of this herbal remedy. The extract is well regarded for its purity and potency, making it a popular choice for those looking to benefit from acacia bark's properties. Link in the description. Advanced Acacia Fiber Powder. This product offers acacia bark in powdered form, making it versatile for various uses. It can be incorporated into teas or used in topical applications. The Mountain Rose Herbs Acacia Bark Powder is praised for its fine quality and effectiveness in delivering the benefits of acacia bark. Fast-acting, organic acacia Senegal Fiber Capsules. for those who prefer a convenient supplement option, the fast-acting, organic Acacia Senegal fiber capsules provide a practical solution. Each capsule contains a precise dose of acacia bark extract, ensuring consistent intake of its beneficial compounds. These capsules are well regarded for their quality and ease of use. In addition to these supplements, if you're interested in skincare, you might want to consider products that incorporate acacia bark for its beneficial properties. Link the description. Herbivore Botanicals Pink Clay Cleansing Bar. The Herbivore Botanicals Pink Clay Cleansing Bar is a highly rated skincare product that features acacia bark among its ingredients. This cleansing bar is known for its gentle exfoliating properties and ability to purify and detoxify the skin. The inclusion of acacia bark enhances its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory benefits, making it an excellent choice for improving skin health and combating issues like acne and redness. Customers have praised this product for its effectiveness in maintaining a clear and radiant complexion. Recent studies have highlighted several key findings regarding acacia bark. For instance, research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology has demonstrated the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of acacia bark, confirming its traditional uses and suggesting its potential in managing chronic diseases. Another study in phytotherapy research investigated the antimicrobial activity of acacia bark and found it effective against a range of bacterial and fungal pathogens. This research supports the use of acacia bark in treating infections and improving overall health. How can acacia bark be used for digestive health? Acacia bark can be used in various forms to support digestive health. For instance, it can be consumed as a tea or in powdered form. The astringent properties of the bark help to soothe and strengthen the gastrointestinal lining, which can aid in treating conditions such as diarrhea and dysentery. Are there any known side effects of using acacia bark? Generally, acacia bark is considered safe when used appropriately. However, some individuals may experience mild gastrointestinal discomfort or allergic reactions. It is advisable to start with small amounts and consult with a healthcare provider before using acacia bark, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant. Can acacia bark be used for skincare? Yes, acacia bark can be used topically to benefit skin health. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties make it useful for treating skin conditions such as acne and eczema. It can be applied as a paste or included in skincare products like cleansers and masks to promote healthier skin. Where can I purchase high-quality acacia bark products? High-quality acacia bark products can be found on online platforms like Amazon, as well as at specialty health food stores. When purchasing, it is essential to choose products from reputable brands and check customer reviews to ensure you are getting a quality product. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the health benefits of acacia bark from Acacia arabica. We hope you found this information enlightening and that it inspires you to explore the potential of this remarkable plant. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Until next time, stay healthy and curious.